In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change Google Sheets link name. If you've ever had a long messy URL stretched across a cell, renaming it to something clean and descriptive makes your sheet easier to read, present, and share. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly what to click, what you are seeing, and why it matters. Start by opening your Google Sheet. Once it's open, click the cell that contains the link you want to rename. You'll know it's a link because it usually appears underlined or shows a small preview when selected. Renaming the link doesn't change where it goes. It only changes the text you see in the cell, which keeps your sheet tidy and more understandable at a glance. If you prefer, you can also right-click that same cell and choose Edit Link from the menu. This takes you to the exact same place as the regular click method. So use whichever is faster for you. When the link is selected, a small preview pop-up appears near the cell. In that pop-up, click the pencil icon labeled Edit Link. This opens the edit window where you can control what's displayed in the cell and confirm the destination of the link. In the text field of the edit window, type the new descriptive name you want to show in the cell. Think of this as a friendly label for the link, something like Project Dashboard or Team Calendar. Keep it short, clear, and specific so people immediately understand what they're opening. You don't need to touch the actual URL if you are only renaming the link. Leaving the URL as is ensures the destination stays the same while the cell shows your new readable text. Click Apply to save your changes. The cell will now display your chosen name instead of the original URL, but it still links to the same destination. You can hover over the cell to see the preview and confirm it's pointing where you expect. Or simply click it to open the link and verify. A few quick tips as you use this. A descriptive link name makes dashboards, summaries, and shared sheets feel more professional and accessible. It helps prevent confusion, especially when multiple links live in the same area. If you ever want to adjust the wording later, just repeat the same process and update the text field again. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.